Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds don't respond or respond slowly to touch controls. Firstly, make sure that you tap at the touch controls. Touch controls located at the back side of your earbuds, and right here at the top we have them. So you need to double press or press and hold on them. These earbuds haven't single press and triple press. Next, if you know that you press at the touch controls, next step is to perform a soft reset. So you need to put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now your earbuds disconnected from your phone. You can check it in the settings if you go to the connected devices or Bluetooth, and if you have Android it will move from My Devices to Save Devices. If you have iOS you will see a text that it's not connected. And then you just open the charging case, your earbuds will reconnect with your phone, and maybe this one fix your problem. Also, I recommend it to go to VIVO earphones application. Then, of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app, tap at your earbuds here at the device list, and scroll down just a bit. We need to go to shortcut action, and right here make sure that your gesture feature set to some feature, not to none. And if you have it set to none, just select something else, or maybe you cannot answer or finish the call or reject the call. So right here we also have a line with that.
Ogólnie sprawa jest taka, że to jest
Kurwa,
2 minuty.
2 minuty.
Sorry.
Ty szmat.